Welcome to the most beautiful railway station in India, Vadnagar. मोदी साहब का घर और ये रही हमारी ट्रेन. Look at that. This is the wonderful train. Let's see how it's built. Wonderful seat arrangement. It's general coach. Look nice. Let's see toilet. How it is? It's average, Water आ रहा है, ठीक है. Side of the look, the outside of the look of this beautiful railway station. Look at that, Vadnagar. Let's see a full train. This is a reserve waiting area, reserve seats. Beautiful arrangement of sitting, handling. Wow, it's just awesome. Fans, hangers, everything is good. This is a
Sitting arrangement.
new sitting arrangement on the train. Look at that.
Sitter tray.
Tables for lunch and breakfast.
For lunch and breakfast, very good tables.
Welcome to the AC compartment. It's AC compartment. Look at that, the view. Very beautiful and clean train. It's very clean. Now it's AC compartment full of AC. Wow. Look at that. It's full of AC train. Wonderful train arrangement by our PM. It's AC blue compartment in here. It's Vadnagar. Nice and flexible train for Surat, Bharuch, Baroda, Ahmedabad.